Okay, so I'm heading out to get my replacement from Fujifilm for the X-T4 I sent back to repairs. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about and the issues I had with the camera, I'll put a link in the description below to the video where I talk about the issues. And I still have some time before the camera is ready to collect, so I'll go for a walk through Soho, probably from Regent Street to the Fujifilm store in Covent Garden. And it's a good excuse to do some street photography, which I haven't done in quite a while. And the weather is really good, and the light of the winter sun is quite interesting. So hopefully I'll get some nice shots. Well, alright, let's go!